G'day! In today's video I'm going to show you how to get into recovery mode and also downloader mode on a Samsung Galaxy A42. So on this one, compared to the A30 I was previously working on, they've completely changed how to actually get in there. So to begin with, we start with the device powered off. And it's quite odd. So for example, I want to go into downloader mode. I'm going to hold volume down, plug a USB cord in. Currently this is connected to my desktop computer. I'm not sure if it will work on AC. So I'm holding volume down right now. And I'm aiming to get into downloader mode. No, volume down got me into recovery. So right now, as you can see, Android recovery, Android 10. And from here, we can go reboot bootloader, reboot the system, wipe, factory data reset. So you use the volume up and down to navigate. If you want to factory reset your phone and wipe it, essentially go to wipe data and factory reset and hit the power button to confirm. And you'd go down, factory data reset. And from there, that will wipe your Samsung Galaxy A42. I'll power it off again. And this time I'm going to unplug the cable, hold the volume up, and plug it in. And as soon as I touch volume up, it decided it wanted to turn on. Actually, my mistake. If you want to get into downloader mode, we've got to hold volume up and down at the same time as plugging the cord in. So right now I'm holding volume up, volume down, plug the cord in. No. Power off. Now I'm stuck just going into recovery. Power, volume up, volume down, with the cord plugged in. And we are now in downloader mode. It's a bit frustrating that Samsung have changed this. So without the use of the USB cable, you will get probably driven insane trying to get into recovery or downloader mode. So if I go volume up, now in download mode. Anyway, I hope this helps you get to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy A42, or also get into download mode to put a custom ROM on you. This will do for today. Bye.